Hey, Jeff and Colin here with Trail Trash ADV. We got a little unboxing video to do. I kind of flashed this in a previous video that I think you guys have seen, but maybe not. It's hard to say. Oh, yeah, that's right. So, just to facilitate some ease of maintenance here, we're in rural Nova Scotia where retailers aren't very happy when you don't buy your tires from them. And they get crotchety when they mount them sometimes, and some of them charge quite a bit of money. So we decided instead of paying the man, we're going to pay ourselves. So this is a company out of the States. I've actually worked with one of these before. Colin was nice enough to donate one to the group. It's called a Nomar tire changer. They're custom made by a company in the States. We're going to do an unboxing here. This is one of the, it's not, I won't say it's inexpensive because it isn't, but it's, as far as, like you see those ones, the little circle ones or things, you know, you can get them on eBay, you can get them on Amazon or whatever. This goes so far beyond those, it's incredible. It really is easy to use. Goldwing 1800 rear tires are notorious for being very hard to change. If you go to the Nomar's website, they've got a tutorial on how to do that on one of these. You can do ATV tires. They have a couple different models. So some models you can't do ATV tires, and some models you can. So for more information, visit nomar.com. All right. This is a neat little rim lock. So
your dildo came. Great.
Yeah, yes, my dildo came. No, this snaps down over the rim and holds it. So it's like a bead holder. So sometimes it's not necessary to use this, and sometimes it is. We're just going to put that back, and it's a non-silicone base loop sleeve. This is the boomstick. No, no. This is the breaker, or I don't know whether you call it a breaker bar or whatever, but this is what you stick in there. I'm just going to come a close up because I want you to close up on these things. These are made of, I think it's Delrin. It's a really, really hard plastic, and I'm not sure what, what the composition is, but they're on both ends. That's the secret. Oops, sorry. That's the secret to the Nomar part. This is what comes in contact with your rim as you're getting the tire off. You lever it, and it's nice and long. You can use your body on tougher tires. That's what doesn't mark your rims. Here's the lube bottle right here. Comes with a tire paste, so you can just wipe a little bit of that around the rim as you're seating the bead. This is a handle that goes on that bar, so you can kind of give it leverage as you're going around, like the hip action. Spray bottle for a little soapy water. Yeah, shop dog, what are you doing? Sitting in the shade? Because it's like 24 degrees in the middle of October. Yeah, I'm not complaining.
It's going to be beautiful in Cape Breton too, buddy.
Hopefully. Yeah, speaking of which, why are we unboxing this now?
Because
we got to change tires before Cape Breton. And of course, we're doing it the day before we leave. And for any of you roadkill fans out there, I'm rocking the Freiburger safety shoes. Alright, so here's your main tower. I have no idea what that is. We'll have to figure that one out. Some of the plate to change. This is part of the bead breaker mechanism. So this stays there, and as this comes down, this will lock into your bead. And that's made of that same plastic material so that you don't mar your rims. Because we're really worried about marring the rims on our Dualsport bikes. Assembly bolts. Again, I'll figure out what that is.
That looks heavier.
Probably should have done this before I did my dump front. So more bars, extension bars for these things. And that's going to be the centerpiece, and these are the bars are going to be mounted in 3 points, and that's what's going to pinch in on your rim and hold it steady. All right, so at the end of these bars, it's got the holes in it for this, go these blocks. And as you spin this, you're gonna move this block closer or further away. So you sit the rim down, it sits on this, and again, this is these plastic, that's that same plastic. These will pinch the rim edge, and that's what pinches and holds your rim. So that no metal ever touches your aluminum rim or steel rim or whatever it is. So I think we're gonna keep this one short and sweet. If you want full assembly instructions, visit Nomar, their website. And I don't think I could demonstrate how to use this better than they can. They've got some very good tutorial videos on their website. So we're not sponsored by them. We paid for this. They're not telling us to make nice things about it. Colin came to me and said, hey, I want a tire changer for the group. What should I get? And I said, no question. I've used one of these before, and for the price, you just can't beat it for ease of use. So I'll send some free traffic their way if you want a tire changer. Oh, one note though, before I say goodbye, this has to be mounted to something. You cannot just set this up and sit it somewhere, okay? Now the other one I've used was guy had drilled and put lag bolts into his garage floor. I can't do that here. So what I did is I have a trailer that we lug our bikes around in. I drilled 4 holes in the trailer and I bolted to that. But you can get a trailer hitch attachment that you can put in the back of your truck. And the only problem with that is A, it gives you a bed you can sit stuff on when you put the tailgate down or whatever. But the other limitation is it's hard to get around. You don't have 360 access to the machine. But those options are there for people who can't do whatever. You might get away about bolting it to like a pallet with weights or something like that. I haven't tried that, but some tires do take a lot of force, and so they recommend a solid anchor somewhere. So the trailer's built of steel, it's pretty heavy. I just have somebody stabilize it for me, trig the wheels, I climb up there and just bolt it in and do my thing. But the lag bolts in the cement floor, that's the cat's meow. That way you can unbolt it really quickly within a couple minutes, move it off and store it wherever you're storing it, bring it out, set it back up. So there, we'll leave it there. There will be some videos with us doing stuff in here. They're not going to be tutorial videos, but you could see in the future us using this, changing a tire and checking in with you guys. So you'll see it all assembled and being used at some point, but we're not going to do a tutorial video here because Nomar's already got.
Yeah, and they would have had to have paid us or given it to us for free or something for us to make free videos for them, where they already have a bunch, right?
They got a bunch. Head to Nomar's website. I believe it is nomar.com. There might be a no-mar, but even if you Google it, you'll find it. They're the only company.
Just hold up that box.
Well, I don't know if that's actually the website, is it?
It sure is.
Oh, nomartirechanger.com.
You can't even screw it up unless you don't know how to spell. In which case,
I don't spell, but I can Google. I can use the Google.
Jujule it.
All right. So for Jeff and Colin behind the camera for Trail Trash ADV, we'll catch you in the next video.